Hello everyone, it's been a while since my last video, but I'm finally back, and this time I'm bringing something powerful for MetaTrader, the Smart Volume Activity Indicator. Okay, so uh, let me uh, let me show, and I'm going to show you how does it works or how it works. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me add this. So here you can see a smart volume activity and use it default settings. And first time when you add this indicator, you can see something like this, which I think little messy or crazy, but honestly when you understand, you feel awesome. Okay, because this advanced indicator helps you to see a smart money activity, also retail activity, detects big trades, identify reversal zones, also the continuations. Okay, and giving you a clear read on where the market is likely to move next. Okay, and okay, so on the right hand side, you guys can see on the right hand side, you can clearly see that's the control panel, that's the on off switch. You can clearly see that's the on off. Okay, and ta, that means table. If I click on the ta, you can see that table is gone, right? Then let me go one by one because there is a many settings. Then the mi represents the mitigated levels. Okay, so if I click the mi, you can see the all the mitigated levels are gone. Okay, now only you can see the levels that are not mitigated yet. Okay, so next object is, you can see that's the liquidity option. Okay, so that's the liquidity, and if I click on the mi again, you can see the whole liquidity, and you can see the actual liquidity in the market. Okay, so I am not interested liquidity or mitigated options. Now here we can see the you can see the lines, these are the volume lines. So if I click on the VL, you can see the volume lines are gone. Okay, now that's the important part. We can keep SM means smart money, RT retail traders, and there's the bubble and the bubble plus. Okay, so now let me come to the point. Now let me hide the bubble plus first. Now you can, here you can see the smart money. Let me go. Okay, here. Okay, so if I move my mouse or cursor over the bubble, you can clearly see the retail volume activity. That means retails are selling in here. These are the retail. You can see the retail volume activity bearish, and you can see the smart money involved in that particular area. You can see the smart volume activity bearish, and here you can see here's the retail traders again involved. Okay, and it's the smart money again, and now that's the twist part. And here we can see the smart money start buying in here from the particular area, but our retail traders are still selling. Okay, because they are watching that market is dropping, right? So smart money start buying from that level, but retail traders are still selling. So that's how you can identify the market moves. Okay, and one more thing, very very important thing, that you only watch these bubbles when it's reached at a certain key level or the zones. Like for me, I use a smart volume box to find out these levels. Okay, and I will talk about this later on. Okay, so now here we can see that smart money start buying and retail traders are still selling, right? And you can see the price are very nicely moved up. Now let me come to the bubble plus and let me go to the 30 minute. Now I think I already mentioned that you can see in here that's the and here you can see the small trades and medium trades. That means traders are increase or institutions increase their position sizing, right? And here you can see large trade, you can see large trade, big trades, you can see, you can totally see the absorption. And what does that mean? I already write down the details. What is the absorption? You guys can clearly see what is the absorption. Okay, so when price are dropping, buyers are keep taking their deals. It's something very easy to understand. Likely I am selling and you are going to buying all the orders. That actually how it works. So where is it? Okay, so here you can see, and how does it work? Like that's the zone you mark. Okay, and as I told you, you only look at this bubble when it's reached to the certain key level. Okay, so in here I mark this level and I start watching. Now turning out, and I start watching. Then when price reach to this zone, I can clearly see the absorption or the big trades are start engaging. Okay, start engaging. That means buyer are start buying all the sell order, right? And then it's start moving the small orders, and you guys can clearly see the price the price moves very very nicely. Okay, I think there is something more I can keep sharing with you guys for the upcoming video. Okay, because for the MetaTrader it's not same as we can see the futures, because we all know that forex is decentralized. Okay, so this data is depends on the brokers, right? So but if we are using the futures, then all data will be the same around the world. Okay, but this is forex or the MetaTrader, whatever. So absorption means when price is falling or the seller is selling, buyer start taking all the orders and hold the price falling and start make them rising again. Okay, so that's the absorption mean. Like if I already show you guys that in here, like without this tool we don't know that price will drop or not. But if I turn this on, I can see the bubbles. There's the big trades. If I hover this, you can see the retail activity. We can also see the large trades. When I can see that, I can go with them. Very simple as that, right? So you can hold your trades or close your trades based on this bubble. Okay, so when you can see the absorption like that, you can close your entry. Very simple as that. And again guys, is much more details about this tool that upcoming video I am going to discuss with you guys. Okay, and you don't have to go to the input settings. You don't have to go to the input setting. You don't have to. Okay, just stick or changes everything from this panel and you'll be good. Okay, and yeah, and also one more thing guys, that if you want to do a live analyze with me, you can join my skill community. We'll go over the real charts together, um, using volume profile, explore absorption, liquidity shifts, and learn how to trade with a smart money, not against it. Okay, just trade smarter, spot the real moves, and ride with the flow. Okay, you can join the school community if you want. That not a signal group, that's the learning community where we can learn together and explore how to identify the key levels using the volume, and then we can use this volume activity to run with the markets. Okay, so we can think like a market makers or the smart money. All right, so that's everything for today guys. Feel free or let me know if you guys have any more questions. Okay, so yeah, and I will give you one more example today. Hold on, I will give you one more example. Like, see, if I zoom in here, I can see there is no absorption here. That means there is no big trades. The price might fall, but the price might fall, but it's not going to stay. It's going to rise again until the absorption or the big moves are, or the big trades are opened in that particular area. You can see the small trades. So people should trade based on the candlestick patterns. um, I forgot the name. I think based on this candlestick pattern, they open the sell position in here, and here we can see that order block and they maybe target around here. Yeah, so it's depends, everyone analyze, and if you guys profit from the candlestick or whatever you guys are doing, it's still fine. But I'm just trying to say that if we do analyze or go with the market moves or market makers, it will be the better decision to execute the entry, right? So yeah guys, that's pretty much everything. We can go short if we can see absorption or the big moves like that. See, when we can see like that, then we can easily identify that it's time to drop the price, because that's the high probability. Okay, so yeah guys, one more time. So if you guys have any more questions, just feel free, let me know. I am always here help you out. And this tool available on MT4 and MT5, but I highly recommend to use for MT5 because MT5 data little bit better than the MT4, I guess. And yeah, and if you also if you want to join the school community, you can see the link on the description. You can join there and you can ask me a question or anything if you guys face. And yeah, thank you guys, thanks for your time and wish you all the best and happy trading guys, happy trading, and open trade wisely. Okay, know the reason why you open the trade, know the reason why you why your entry hit the stop loss. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys, see you soon.